Here I have OPPO A54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to get the Xiaomi notification panel on this device. As you can see, now I have like the default notification panel, but you can actually download the Xiaomi notification bar, notification panel, control center, like you call it as you want, by downloading the app Mi Control Center, Notification and Quick Actions. Then you have to open it. Then skip this trial, or you can just buy the paid version and have a lot more features than you have right now. Then you have to allow all the permissions it requires here. And now you just have to enable it. It's already enabled. And that's how it looks. On this side you have the control center, on this side you have the notification shade. And here you can customize them. For example, here you can customize notification shade layout. A lot of different, like you can show power menu button this side. Okay, you have different options. You have this one, notification shade, like on Xiaomi, or you can use this control center and have the control center on this side and the notifications on the other side. Wow, just like on my iPhone device. Unbelievable. You can customize its layout, different features, but not all of them. For example, if you want to change its tiles grid, you'll have to pay for it, unfortunately. You can also change its colors. Sometimes you have to watch ads, which is very sad. Let's change it to like these kind of beautiful colors. Maybe, yeah. This is the style, and that's how it's done. Like these hexagon buttons look pretty aesthetic to me. You can customize different other features, but as I already said, some of them are for free, some of them are for money. So it's for you. Download this app, get to know with it, and just customize your panel as you please. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.